Missy here. Welcome to day 2 of the June release preview videos. I'm so excited to have you here with us. So if you missed it, I posted day 1 yesterday. We are loving this release. It's so fun. It's so cute. And in today's video, we have James. You are monstrously cool. I had to look at that to make sure I'm saying it right. So in today's video, we have the character that's dressed as Sully from Monsters Inc. and we have their, coordinating die. So if you're interested in getting any or part of this release, don't forget to check out Stamp Club. That's listed down below, along with our Facebook group. We just had a summer event on Saturday and Sunday. You can catch up with that in the Facebook group, or you can also find those videos here on YouTube. They are in real time, step-by-step tutorials on fabulous images. So much fun. And you can find those images on our website. So I'm going to head over to the craft table. I'm going to walk you through today's release and share with you all of the fun design team projects. So let's head over to the craft table and I'll share with you. All right, friends, it's day 2 and we have James. You are monstrously cool. And we've got a little chibi character in a Sully costume. So cute. And what I love about this, because colored as this, he's highly recognizable. He's kind of highly recognizable anyway, but you could really turn this into anything. And imagine how fun this image will be if you make Halloween cards, because he could 100% be a trick-or-treater or, you know, working at a haunted house. That would be really fun. So yeah, and then of course we have the coordinating die. So if you sign up for Stamp Club, there are 3 levels. The first level gets you all 3 stamp sets. The second level gets you the stamps and the dies. And then the third level is you have to have it all, you want it all. And that one's actually your best value. And don't forget that you get discounts, free images, savings on bundles, etc. So Stamp Club is really the best way to go if you are purchasing every release. And I mean, listen, I would own all of them going back years if I knew about them. So yeah. Anywho, as always, links to Stamp Club are in the description box down below. I have a link directly to this month's release. There's also the Facebook group, so you can see other cards and stuff by not only design team members, but also our fannies. You guys are super talented, and we love when you show off your work. So if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Leave us a comment to give us some engagement, and I'll see you tomorrow for day number 3.